सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello, welcome to our channel DJ Vidya. Today we learn how to create a landing page using Adobe XD. XD basically stands for Experience Designing. This software basically developed for designing and prototype websites for mobile and desktop. So here is the Adobe XD interface. In previous video we learned how to create a landing page design using Adobe Photoshop. So today we learn how to create a landing page designing and prototype using Adobe XD. So here I go to menu and I want to create a new work page for website. I select the website web size 1366 into 768. So here is my page. I just select my page and select layout and change the size 58 left and right and change the column. Now 12 is okay. Now I go to text tool. Then go to select tool and select the text. In a property bar I change the font face into Roboto and size 26 and I need bold italic. Then I go to text tool. Select DJ Vidya and fill color black. And India to red. Then I go to text tool. I want to make some buttons. Size is regular, style is regular, size is 14. I just copy them using Alt key. Then I go to fill tool. I change the color into dark gray. Now I want to preview my page. So here is a play button to show you how your website look like. and font style is black. Then I make a text box. Then select all the text. Then I go to rectangle tool. And make it rounded rectangle. Then I select this rectangle. Fill color is black. Border is none. And I copy this rectangle using Alt and Shift key and change the color into red. And go to text tool. And my size is 10 and font color is white, and I just align this. Right, so I want to preview. This is my two buttons. I make a circle, fill color dark gray, and border none, and make 24 pixels gap. And just change the color into red. Then I make a circle here and go to menu bar, import a photo. So basically I place a photo and select the circle and right click on it and arrange it, bring to front, and select both the objects, and here I make intersect. I go to text tool, then I go to menu, import a SVG file from UNDraw. I download this image from the site. I will share you this link with you guys. Then I select this image and just right click on it and arrange this image, send to back. So this is how my web page look like. Then I go to import and I want to import some social media icons. I need Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. I import this image on my page. And I arrange these images right. Now I want to make a progress bar using rectangle and route this rectangle into 10. I select the rectangle, fill color is black, border is none. Now I select this image, I press Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V for paste and transform this rectangle and change the color into red. Go to text tool, and change the font style in black and size is 36. Now I am previewing my site. So my front page is look like this, my landing page basically. So here is my preview. Then I want to make another down page. So I select the page and in height I just write down into 2. And here is my another page and I go to rectangle tool and I make a rectangle. Border is none, fill color is white and I want to apply drop shadow. Y-axis 10, bottom 15. Then I copy this now I want to see my preview. Look, so now I go to text tool then I select my text and change the style into light and and size is 48. Then I make a rectangle. I just copy this text and I want to paste here. And I copy same text box. Now I copy and paste this text here and same text here. Now I want to make a button. So here I change color into red, rounded corner 5, border none. Then I go to text tool and change the color into white and size 12. So I select both of them. So here is my page look like. Then I select my page. I just transform the page. Now I go to text tool and change the font color to dark gray. Font size 36. Font face Roboto. Font style thin. Then I copy this text and just drag this and press Ctrl V. And select all the text and copy this text using Alt key. And just change the text. So here is my layout design. Then I want to put some vector graphics here. I just import some vector graphics from Ondo. Okay, fine. I need one more SVG file. Now I want to preview. I just click here. So this is how my web page look like. Now I want to add some shapes using pen tool. Okay, I built this app. Now I want to make some button. So I make a rectangle. Fill color is white. Border color is none. And go to text tool and just write rest. Change the size 12 and style regular and color is white. And select the rectangle and rounded 5 point, and I just copy this and paste here. So guys, here is my landing page design using Adobe XD. I just show you the preview of my page. So I go to this play button, just click on the play button, and my web page is now preview for you. So please guys, rate my web designing using Adobe XD, and feel free to like and comment on our channel. Thanks for watching.